Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video, and this video is on inserting the data into the table. This is part 3 of this class, and we can insert the data by using query, and with the column name, giving the column name, and without giving the column name, and with multiple values. So I will demonstrate this. So this is the table we have. We had seen this table. So to see the column of the table, what you need to do is you need to click on Alt and F1 again. So here are some column. You can see that this table I have created. I have given the query in my last video description. You can go and you can take that query and you can create the table. So I told you that we have first option is by design. So when you click on the table, right click on the table, you have option is edit top 20. Here you can give the ID as a 1, the name of the employee that I have given John, the job is IT, and manager, it's null, hire date I am giving like 0202 and 2020. It looks good. So and the next thing, it's 2700, and your commission will be none and your department will be 1. I'll tell you why I am giving 1. Because it will join this column I will join with another table, so that is another part. After that, you can, once you close this, and if you want to see the data of the table, what you need to do, you need to write select query. So select is another query where you can see that, and without clicking on execute, I am able to see the data. What I am doing is, you can click on shift and home, you can select all the query from end to start, and after that click on control and E. Control and will execute your query. So another method, as I have told you, that is insert command. So this is like another command we have, insert into. You are going to insert. So where you are going to insert into a table. So you need to give the table name. You can give the name of the columns also. As I have told you, we have 3 ways. So column names like column ID, employee ID, your job, and the manager MGR is your job MGR by giving comma. Space won't work, otherwise it will be an error. Comma salary, comma commission, and comma your department. Okay, if you don't mention the column name here, it will take as a null. I'll show you that. Also, first I will insert the, this is my ID, I'll give you 2, another is my name, so it is Sam, and another. Okay, one more thing I will tell you guys, that if it is NVARCAN or VARCHAR kind of thing, VARCHAR and VARCHAR is like text, you can understand that, and you have the number like 2. So I haven't given single commas or single comma on the ID, which is 2, which is integer number, but I have given here is a text. So this text, when you use text, you have to define that these texts are together, and that's how you tell to the to SQL Server that this is text value. You have to take it like this, and another thing, you have to define the job. Okay, so whatever the order you have given for the column, same order you have to give for the value. So next thing what you need to do is admin, then manager I will give you 1 because it is employee holding column, and another thing is your hire date. You can give like 03 like 28 and 2020. Okay, comma, this salary, so salary I will put here as a 2500. It is a numeric column, so numeric column will accept it is like the point values, and your commission will be 200 and your department will be next. Okay, you can. Okay, so what I did, again I clicked on shift and home. It will select all the value from end to start, and then you can click on control and E. Anyways, you can like what I am doing for control E, that you can see, I have told you another way. It is without giving the column name. If you don't give any column name, and when you are giving the values to the query, you have to keep in your mind that all the column are whatever the order you have defined in your table, that order you have to define in your query. So it is 3. I will give you like dev or like, okay, now anything else I will keep like same, and he is getting like 100 commission and his department is take. Okay, you need to select that, and after that you can click on execute. Same thing what I am doing with control and E. Next, I told you that I'll tell you another way also, so I just need to copy the column, and in this way, if you define the column, that is okay. If you don't define the column, that is also okay. And I have copied some like some value to save the time I have. So this video should not go much longer. What you need to do is you control and paste here comma, and now you don't have to again write same thing like insert into, because that will think like you are inserting the value which is values are multiple. So now you can select your query and you can click on execute or F5 also you can do that, and click on execute, and you can see that 2 rows are inserted. Again guys, you select this query which is select star from TBL. This is the query I will use again and again in my video. You can see that we have inserted so many rows. Now okay, so this is the thing. Now we can summarize that what we have done. We have 3 methods to insert the data. First is your design. So right click on the table, you can click on edit 200 rows. This is not the good way to do this, because if you have so many data, this is very difficult to modify or insert the data. After that you have another option is like by giving the name of the column and by giving the value. After that you have another way is like you can define. We don't need to define the column name, but you have to keep in mind that you have you need to give the same order what you have given order of your columns, and the value should be according to that. And this is another way where you can define multiple values on your query. So thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe this, and if you have any doubt or any question, please comment on my video. I will try to figure it out. Thank you guys.